Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is let's get to the point. Let's get to the point. चलो सीधे मुद्दे पर आते हैं, यानी डायरेक्ट काम की बात पर आते हैं. सेकंड, कीप योर एडवाइस टू योर सेल्फ. कीप योर एडवाइस टू योर सेल्फ. अपनी सलाह अपने पास रखो. 3, आई डोंट इवन वांट टू गिव यू माई एडवाइस. आई डोंट इवन want to give you my advice. मैं तुम्हें अपनी सलाह देना भी नहीं चाहता. 4, you go, I'll come along. You go, I'll come along. तुम चलो, मैं आता हूँ. 5, I didn't mean to scare you. I didn't mean to scare you. मैं तुम्हें डराना नहीं चाहता था. 6, he must know about this. He must know about this. वो जानता होगा इस बारे में. 7, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता. 8, make your opinion count. Make your opinion count. अपनी बात में दम रखो, यानी ऐसी बात करो कि अगले बंदे को समझ भी सही आ जाए और उस बात पर अमल करने को भी उसका दिल चाहे और बात सबको अच्छी लगे. 9, nobody come to pick me up. Nobody come to pick me up. मुझे कोई लेने नहीं आता. The last one is 10. I found your point interesting. I found your point interesting. मुझे आपकी बात अच्छी लगी. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. For speaking English, join my WhatsApp group given in the description. English बोलने के लिए description में दिया गया मेरा WhatsApp group join करें. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.